Look, the police officer is sleeping on his car. He must be really tired.
Ha ha ha, I will rob the police car. Perfect plan.
Hey, wake up, wake up.
What?
Help me, please help me.
Okay!
Let me
The
help.
police officer jumped into the river. He really wants to help.
Ha ha ha, I'm feeling very smart.
But wait! Steve just took the police car. That's not okay.
Oh
Oh no! A train is coming from the opposite side.
Oh no, stop!
no! Oh no!
Crash! The train hits the police car. Both fall into the river.
Oh no!
Oh no, so hurt. In the river with an accident, come here. We come here.
The tow truck pulls out the train from the river. That's strong teamwork.
Thank you so much.
Now the police car is being lifted too. Good job, rescue team.
Thank you.
Okay!
Let's go. We have to build them more firmly. Amazing! Take wood to build bridges.
Okay!
The trailer is loaded with wood beams and train tracks.
Rail for train. Go.
Here come all the construction vehicles. Let's build something new.
Let's start. I will make the track more firmly.
The dump trucks pour gravel to form the new road foundation.
Continue. Let me increase the certainty.
The road roller flattens the gravel, smooth and steady.
Let me increase the certainty. Yeah, wonderful. I come here.
Train tracks and wood beams are laid down carefully.
Install it carefully.
The welding machine joins the tracks together.
Making wooden bridges for cars.
The wooden bridge is hammered tightly, strong and secure.
I come here. It's so wonderful.
Ta-da! The wooden bridge is finally complete. Strong, steady, and ready for adventure.
Don't drive into the tracks, very dangerous. Remember to subscribe to the channel below.
Once this shipment is over, I can finally rest.
Oh my God!
The construction site was messy and difficult to navigate. Keep going, you're almost there.
Get out of my
hurts so much?
Are you okay?
What kind of way are you walking?
It's because you drove onto the construction site road.
Irresponsible.
Who are you calling irresponsible?
Yo, 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 yo.
We have to deal with this.
That's okay.
Let's roll out. Transform!
Transform! Hey!
Calm down, calm down!
Let me help you.
Yo, 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 yo.
What should we do?
Come on, you can do it.
I need help now. Let me help you.
Finally!
Oh my God, my bag of rice.
Let me!
Hooray! Thank you very much.
Wait, we need to repair this section of road before other vehicles can pass through.
Yes, sir.
We need your help.
I'm ready.
Much later.
Why don't you give it a try?
Thank you guys. See you later.
Next time, you need to make sure you put up proper warning signs.
Yes, sir.
Nani?
Hey! What are you doing with me?
Please be understanding. I'm in a hurry.
Oh my God! Okay.
Bye, have a great time.
Oh, it hurts. It hurts so much.
Haha, that's what you get.
Why did you spill all that dirt on my house?
What should we do? Rescue! Come and help us!
Much later.
Let's go already.
Let's roll out. Transform!
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 Help us, please!
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Okay.
Yes! Let me at it. I'm your man.
Oh, yeah.
1 hour later.
Whoa!
We need to repair this road. It's too dangerous. I think so? Yahoo! So beautiful.
Thank you guys, and sorry.
It's because the road is so bad, it's not your fault.
Oh my God! Wow!
You can go to the construction site now.
Thank you guys. Goodbye, and see you later.
Bye! Thanks to him, the village road was repaired and made clean and beautiful.
Bing bang. Yo, 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 yo.
Hey!
Why did you suddenly stop in the middle of the bridge?
I'm tired.
But you're blocking everyone's way.
What can I do now? I just need to rest.
But
Come on. That's annoying.
And it smells awful, too. Oh, yeah.
Something's wrong. Let's go. Let's roll out. Transform!
Transform! Transform!
Doggy, let's rope 'em and ride.
Hey!
Yo, 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 yo.
Hey, stop!
Everyone step back. If you don't move, we'll take drastic measures.
You suck!
We'll handle this.
1 hour later.
Okay, here goes.
I can do it! Abracadabra!
Easy.
The new bridge is finished. Everyone please use this way.
But
We'll handle this. Now people can use both bridges.
Let's go.
Okay, here we go.
Don't let personal gain negatively impact others.
Wait for me, bros.
What? What's wrong?
Look at that.
help me! I can't rap.
What are you doing?
I ate too much. Now my stomach is too big to go out.
What if we help you and then you threaten us?
No, I don't make you scared.
Just help him out.
Okay, here goes.
Transform!
Let's go. Go, 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 go.
Don't do that. I'll choke.
Just bear with it. It's your own fault. Guys, help me!
Water blast, go.
Much later. The dust isn't flying everywhere anymore. You guys are great.
Be quiet. Let us help you.
Okay. Ten years later.
He's truly a carefree child.
Wake up!
What happened?
You've escaped from the cave.
Yahoo! I'm free! Stop!
We rescued you, but the cave is damaged. We need to repair it.
Yes, sir!
Do 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 do.
1 hour later.
Okay already.
Pay attention next time.
Don't eat too much and then get stuck again.
I know! Don't mention it again. I'm embarrassed. Free stuff!
Oh yeah!
Much later.
Half of the construction materials are gone.
This is a major problem. We should call for backup.
Someone stole the bridge materials.
All right, let's transform.
Transform! Hey!
Okay, here we go.
Yo, 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 yo.
Hey! Something's missing.
Follow me.
Hey, stop! Oh!
Oops, did I just block your way? Stop right there.
You're under arrest.
You suck.
Now, tell us where you hid the materials.
1 hour later.
Yahoo! We have enough materials now.
Let's lift this safely.
Bing bang! Come on, y'all, let's do this!
Ten years later. A few minutes later.
Let's go! Hey! Bing bang!
Stealing slows everyone down.
I just wanted attention. Helping builds roads. Pranks break them.
Work together, it's faster.
Yo, 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 yo!
Oh yeah!
Finally done. Let's go out.
Check the construction has been.
Oh, you worry too much. There, you see? It's okay.
Who made this fake rail?
What? What should I do?
I warned you!
Let me call the rescue team.
A few minutes later.
Go, go, go!
Perform the task quickly.
Transform!
Transform.
Let's go!
Yo, 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 yo!
Hey!
Help me. I don't want to be fired.
This is not the time for crying. Let's fix the problem.
Come on, come on!
Okay, let's rope up and ride.
Yo, 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 yo!
Bing bang!
I'll flatten the road. Much, much, much later.
Come on! You can do it!
Perfect! What a hassle!
Go! Go, go, go!
What are you going?
I'm a troublemaker.
If you know you're wrong, you should take responsibility. So why are you running away?
Anyway, the problem has been solved.
You just need to double-check the dimensions and connections.
I apologize. I will learn from this experience.
Come on, work's done. Let's go have some fun.
Let's go. Just don't make any more mistakes.
You're adorable.
That's awful. Let's go.
Wait for me. Oh my God.
Slowpoke.
Don't go too fast. Be careful. It's dangerous.
Coward!
Oh
Oh my God!
Help me, please!
10 years later.
Go, go, go!
Let's roll out. Transform!
Transform! Transform!
Let's go!
Yo, 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 yo!
Get the mission.
Monster, get out of here!
Oh my God!
Monster, stop now!
Easy!
Hey!
Oh no!
Hey!
Hooray!
Hey, have you guys forgotten about me?
Huh?
How are you? Do you need any help?
The road is too slippery. I can't get out.
Let me help you. Water blast, go!
Much, much, much later.
Oh yeah!
Come on, come on!
Thank you.
Look around when you go. Be careful of sudden danger.
I'm sorry.
He just likes racing with me.
So let's go to the racetrack and have some fun.